Hello viewers, welcome to ABC Product House YouTube channel. There are many products available to choose cell phone camera, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cell phone camera from reputable brands. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Stylus 4-in-1 Revolver Lens Smartphone Camera Kit for Apple iPhone 7, Super Wide Angle, Macro, Fisheye, CPL, Protective Case, Phone Camera, Photo Video, 4-in-1 Revolver Lens. The Stylus RV3 Revolver Lens attachment comes outfitted with 4 different inspiring lens options: macro lens, wide angle lens, fisheye lens and CPL lens. Quality crafted. Based on our successful RV2 revolver lens, we have improved the optics to deliver a much clearer picture quality with the RV3 revolver lens. Additionally, our cases are quality crafted with a mixture of alloy, brass and premium polycarbonate for a truly luxurious feel and look. All-around protection. Our case provides all-around protection for bumps and scratches, and the raised lip protects your display screen when you set the phone face down. Integrated metal kickstand. The integrated metal kickstand can be used in landscape orientation for a hands-free experience when viewing your favorite videos, managing photo slideshows, or displaying clocks and calendars. Number 4. Insta360 Nano 360-degree Camera VR 3D Panoramic Point and Shoot Digital Video Cameras 3K HD Dual Wide Angle Fisheye Lens for iPhone 7, 7 Plus and all iPhone 6 series, 360 live on Facebook, Pearl White, compatible with iPhone 7, 7 Plus, and iPhone 6/6s, 6 Plus/6s Plus, or used alone. 3040 by 1520 resolution at 30 frames per second. Dual 210-degree fisheye lenses, portable size. Real-time 360 video/photo sharing on Facebook/WeChat, live streaming. Free app, 360 player/studio/plugin, VR cardboard box. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Number 3. Sirui Anamorphic Phone Lens with Clip Adapter, Anamorphic Lens, Anamorphic 1. 33x attachment lens made of German shot glass. Multiple coating and anti-reflection coating for impressive science fiction light flares and bokeh effects. For a perfect cinematic effect, Sirui Lens app is required. The Filmic Pro app is also recommended. Widescreen movies in cinema format 2. 4. 1 ideal for smartphone cineasts and filmmakers, even compatible with the Sirui CPL and adjustable ND filters. Dimensions: 35 mm, front diameter, x 20 mm, height, weight, 19 g, construction, 3 lenses in 2 groups, working temperature, -20 degrees Celsius to +50 degrees Celsius, material lens housing and mount, durable aircraft aluminum, resolution, 500 lp/mm, center, 300 lp/mm, edge, clip fits up to 35 mm. Package includes 1x Sirui VD01 lens, 1x Sirui front and rear lens cap, 1x Sirui hard case, 1x Sirui smartphone clip. Number 2. Ubezai's 10-foot LED ring light with stand and phone holder, selfie halo light for photography/makeup/vlogging/live streaming, compatible with phones and cameras, 2020 new design. This new 10-ring light features a touchpad in the front for brightness and color options, much easier to maneuver than its predecessor's control panels. It offers luminance adjustment from 1 to 100%, and color temperature from 3000 K, 6000 K, warm to cold, making it an ideal lighting solution for YouTubers, photographers, and selfie lovers. Safer and brighter. The included AC/DC adapter helps protect your safety while improving the ring light's brightness by over 50% than other USB-powered models. It consumes little power and produces minimal heat, a great advantage when doing close-ups and long-time shooting. Sturdy tripod stand extending from 16-inch to 50, and tripod can be adjusted to any height within seconds as needed, short enough to stand on tabletop, tall enough to fit your height. This compact circle light set comes handy when you do makeup, artworks, beauty and fashion, live streaming, video calls and more. Number 1. Silver 3-in-1 Cell Phone Camera Lens Kit. Wide-angle macro fisheye lens, universal for smartphones, iPhone, Samsung, Android, easy-to-use clip-on lens. Detachable and portable clamps with soft rubber, guarding against bumps and scratches on your phones. Easy to install and remove, clip on to all major smartphones with a single lens rear camera. High-quality aluminum construction. The lenses are made from aluminum to increase the durability of the product. Expand your phone's picture-taking capabilities. Use the macro lens to get extreme close-up detail. It is fully compatible with the dual camera system. The fish lens allows you to greatly extend your optical zoom range to capture a variety of shots. Capture more and extend the range of your phone's camera with the wide-angle lens. Universal detachable clamp design. Making the mini lenses can work on most types of mobile phones whose camera lenses are not bigger than 13 mm diameters, such as iPhone, iPad, Samsung and other smartphones.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching.